Hey guys, today I want to go and show you how you can go and stream on Kick. This is a beginner guide. So first of all, let's go to kick.com and then you need to go and sign up or log in. I already got it and want to show you the first steps. So that's pretty easy. Just sign up with all your informations and then you can go and log in. After that, you can go and see this website here. Here are featured streams and recommended, and here are the categories. So also you can click on browse, or here's this the top categories. You can click here on browse, or if you follow already someone, you can see them on the left, or you click here on following. Also you click on the three dots and you can see the community day guidelines and all that here. After you go and set it up everything, you go over to your icon over here and then you go to create a dashboard. And here you can see everything you need. You have your stats on top, what's going on when you're streaming, like how many followers do you have, how many subscribers. But you can also go and click on here and deactivate them or activate these. So like I don't want to see my preview, I can deactivate it. Activity feed, mod actions, or is it chat? Well, it's not really working, but so yeah, that's the thing here. Also what you need is a broadcast, a streaming software. For this I use OBS. So go to obsproject.com and there you can go and download it for Apple, for Linux, or for Windows. So go download that. When you are in OBS, there should be just one scene and no sources. So scenes are collections of things you want to do. Like when you want to go gaming, you click on gaming and you get all these different sources here, like the border of the webcam. You go and get the sub counter, well, the sub goals and the follow goals. It's all on the sources. You can go and click on it. You can go and add a new webcam. You can click on it and new window capture. It's all in this. But if you like me right now, I'm about to record, go click on the scene for recording. So it has different sources. You can always go and click on the plus and add a new source. You can also click go and make a new scene. But first of all, what you should go and do is click on settings here. Alright, so in general, you can go and switch the dark theme that I have right now to so many different, like, click on light. Yeah, there you go. I think it's like not acting up with recording at the same time. Let's go back. Alright, so yeah, that's a simple thing you need to know. Next we go to output. In output, you can go and change your output mode. They should be simple and advanced. And when you click on advanced, you get so many more options here. The first one is for streaming, when you stream on Kick. The second one is for recording, for me right now, like these settings. And the other one is for audio and replay, but it's not that important right now. So in streaming, you go and click on here. You can go and change a codec. I can't change it right now because I'm recording. But well, I use X264. Just well, it's in a more advanced tutorial, I guess. But choose an encoder, or you can just use the default settings. More important is the bitrate. I think a bitrate of 6000 kilobits is very good for Kick. You can also make it higher. 6000 it's good, but I think Kick has a max between 8 and 10,000 kilobits. But if you really have a super powerful internet connection, you maybe try it. Alright, so if you have done this, we go to audio. And here we go and set up our microphone and everything we need. So like desktop audio, I use my, well, this one here. I can't really explain it, but just select your display audio or your headset audio, and I got the mic audio down here, and I selected my microphone. So that's that. Also, make sure you go and select 48 kilohertz and stereo. That's more important to get good quality. Next step is video. For that, you have your base canvas and your output, but I think 1080 is pretty good. Don't scale filter. You go and set the lowest. I can't choose it right now. Just set the lowest option here down below on the bottom. It's the best one. Also, go set it to 60 FPS here. Next, you can go and use hotkeys if you want, though. I have just pause and unpause recording. It's very helpful, tell you guys. Just found out maybe 2 months ago that I can pause recordings. But yeah, just look through here and get your hotkey in here. Like, there's so many. Just click on here, choose a key. And one of the last steps, go to stream, and then you go to service. It says custom, Twitch, and all that. You go click on custom. Now you can't really see what I did here, cause I will go and hide this. Never show people what you got here. I'm not sure about the server, but the stream key. Never show people your stream key. They can use it and can stream on your channel. That's weird. But for this information, no, it's empty for you. Go back to Kick. When you're in your created dashboard, you go to settings. And here you can go and click on stream key. Alright, so just copy the stream URL and then you go back to OBS and go and get it into this server type. Also go back to get the stream key. Never show people your stream key. You go and set it up. Everything. Let me show you one more good thing. Go to on the top to docs, and then you go and create a new custom browser doc. So click on here, and like I show you already, you can go and get extra windows here, like the window sources, the window audio mixer, the window scene. It's all windows here, or docs. You can get one extra to show up the Kick chat. So like you want to read the Kick chat, go and type in here a name and then your URL, like kick.com James D Music. That's my username on Kick, and then /chatroom. So also what I did is the activity. I want to see the activity. kick.com/dashboard/stream. Like here, you can see it right now. Just go click apply. And when I got this, I can go and activate them down here. You can deactivate and activate them. So when I click on here, everything is showing up like here as the dashboard. You can go and close this if you want though, but here it's like showing up too. Maybe a little bit messed up because of the size and all that, but for now it's pretty good. You get your chat, you get your activity feed, and you can click also on all these options here and activate the windows and all. So let's say mod options. I want to turn this off. One thing I can't do right now is go and drag them around for some reason. Also click on doc and let's say Kick chat. This is just the Kick chat. So if you don't want these dashboard, click and you just get the chat here. And now you can go and stream. You get here your game, your webcam, and here you get the chat. So if you don't want to see any other stats, just use it like this. You can go and write and everything. We are ready to stream, and now what you all just need to do, and here in Kick, make sure you go click on edit stream information. When you click on here, you can go and choose a title, a category, text coming soon, and the language you stream in. Also can make 18+, so it's more secure. When you got this, you can go back to OBS. So then just click on start streaming. That's all. Is click on start streaming. Also, when you started streaming, it's showing a stream preview with the audio and with the stream. Just pause the stream. It doesn't pause the real stream, just the preview. And also go mute yourself. If not, you can hear it maybe double-ish, and you don't want that. Also, you can see your session info. So when you're streaming, it's showing up here on the top. Session, it says online, or it says streaming. Also, you can see your viewers, you can see your followers, your subscribers, and how long you streamed, or how long you streaming. So to stop a stream, go back to OBS and just click on stop streaming. This happens, and then you're off screen. You're off screen. You're not online anymore. But sometimes in Kick, even when you refresh, it's still showing you streaming, but you don't, guys. You don't. So just to let you know, there are so many people getting some issues about it. So it's showing here like it's continue. It says streaming and the timer's running. But if you stop streaming on OBS, you don't stream anymore. Also here on the right, it's very interesting and important about Kick. You get follows only chat, like you can see. If you get some people that are annoying you, just ban them. Or if you're not, you can do it right now. Just click on follow only chat. Maybe they follow then, but then you can do only subscriber chat, and if they subscribe, well, then you got a subscriber. But yeah, that's you can also block terms and emoji chat and all that. So this should be easy. And yeah, so host a channel, it's like rating a channel, another live stream. When you live, you can rate them. You need to go and have 5 views. So if you stream and you have just 3 views, you can't go and rate host other streamers. It's a bit sad, but I think they want to prevent that everyone is rating people with 1 viewer. So I understand it. So yeah, this is it, the basic tutorial how to go and stream on kick.com. It's growing like crazy right now. Everyone's like, what is Kick? No. And now it's like, oh shit, Twitch is doing this and this, and I should go and switch. Many came over now, like Ninja came over now to Kick. Let's see, Drake came over. Let's see what's the future brings. So if you want to support me, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go check out my channel. I have a playlist about Kick tutorials. Also there in it is like how to set up a bot and more little things. But also go and give this video a like if you enjoyed and it really helped you. And go and follow me on Kick, James D Music. And yeah, I hope to see you next time here and on Kick. And if you have any question, I try to go and answer them and help you as I can. And yeah, just let me know in the comments. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.